Hi traders, this is Dr. Barry Burns with TopDogTrading.com. I get a lot of amateur traders writing to me saying, Barry, I get into a setup that looks really good, and then the market comes and stops me out immediately. Then, after it stops me out, it goes right back, turns around, and continues in the direction of my original trade. Why does that happen to me over and over and over again? Well, one of the reasons is that professionals are often stop running. And you can't actually do stop running if you don't have a large enough account, which most of you probably don't, but you can follow the pros and watch for this particular setup I'm going to give you and trade with them. So here it is. There's 4 simple steps, so follow along. Step 1 is you look for a major swing high, one that really stands out on the chart, that's obvious, because that's where people are going to be placing their stops. Number 2, you look for a retrace to that high. Step 3, you look for the market to not only retrace to that high, but to slightly pierce it. You don't want a real body completely above that high, but you want just enough that it shows that, yeah, they're going up there, they're taking out those stops, and then they're driving the market back down into the original direction. And then finally, the 4th step is look for a reversal candlestick pattern. In this case, it's a 2-bar pattern, green bar followed by a red bar, and the red bar closing more than halfway down the range of that green bar. And that's what you're looking for. You enter below the low of that 2-bar reversal candlestick pattern, and then the market continues in the direction of the trade. Now let's look at a long example. So here again we have a major swing low. That's the first thing that we look for. And then the market comes back down and it just barely pierces that previous swing low. It's just the wick of the candlestick really in this case. And then we get the key, and the key is that reversal candlestick pattern. So in this particular case, the market, we get a red bar followed by a green bar. Green bar closes above the open of the red bar, and so it's closing back above that support level. So we barely take out the stops, we reverse, and we go back up. This technique works for stocks, futures, Forex, commodities. It's a beautiful technical pattern. It does work better with other energies, looking for other energies other than just support resistance and candlestick patterns. So if you'd like to learn about the other energies that I personally use, as well as some other techniques that I have to share with you for free, go ahead and click on the link below.